We are in the 2000 MCQ series for RBWM, and presently we are in chapter number 1 to 3. We are covering those objective questions. Okay, so we are covering all the important objective questions which are likely to be asked or which are of the basic nature, which will explain you what is RBWM. Okay, so 50 days, 50 sessions are there. Okay, so let's start. Coins are issued by what? By whom? Government of India, NABARD, public sector banks, or this SBI. Now you'll say, sir, coins are issued by what? But these questions have been asked in exam. That's why don't take it lightly. How many of you can answer this? Type fast in the comment section. Coins are issued by whom? Government of India, NABARD, public sector banks, or SBI. What is the answer? Everyone. Let me see. Yeah. Coins are issued by everyone. It is. Okay, let me come to some points over here. Let me give you a few clarifications over here. Always remember, coins are issued by, in fact, better than coins. Okay. Notes are issued by whom? Notes are issued by two parties. Who issues the notes? One. Yes, who? Type in the comment section. Who issues the notes? One is correct, RBI. RBI issues the notes 2 rupees and more, 2 or more. Okay, all the notes are issued by RBI, but government issues 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note is always issued by the government, and 2 rupee and more are issued by the RBI. Similarly, coins are always issued by the Government of India. It is not by RBI. The power is with Government of India. Even 20 rupees coin is issued by the Government of India only. Got it? Clear? Next one. Bank passbook is, what is the bank passbook? Nowadays, many of the private banks don't have the bank passbook, right? They don't give it. They give the option, but they directly, people are having nowadays online every statement. Who uses this bank statement, bank passbook? That is used only when you have to submit it somewhere. Okay. So bank passbook is what? Issued by the bank, contains transaction details of the bank account, shows the balance in the account, and all of the above. So what does the bank passbook include? It includes, it is issued by the bank, contains transaction, obviously all of the above, isn't it? Remember, bank passbook is a property of whom? Bank passbook is a property of actually the bank, because bank has issued it. It is just giving you the convenience of your banks, of your banking transactions, to check your banking transactions. Okay, so that's why it is showing you it is a property of the bank actually. Okay, bank pays interest on deposits, loans, insurance, all of the above. Bank pays interest on all of the above. Here, some of you might feel now, get confused in insurance also, because you are selling insurance. What is that insurance? Is it a liability product, or is it an asset product? Is it, what is it? So bank pays interest on. Always remember, bank pays interest on. Let me explain you first. What is a bank basically? Bank means what? You all are in JAIIB. Bank means what? So this is a bank. Bank gets deposits. What is the job, role of bank? What is the income of bank, business of bank? Bank gets money from the depositors and then gives the money to the loan holders. Loan. Okay. This loan holder will give you what? This loan holder will give you interest. Interest. Okay. And then bank gives the same interest to the deposit holder. Interest. Okay. Now you will say, if such is the case, then what does the bank earn? The interest over here is higher. Let's say this is 9%. So this will be 7% or 6%. It will be gap of 3%. This is known as NII, net interest income. Okay, NII. So bank pays deposit interest on deposits and gets interest on loans. Okay. Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB. Plus, you will be getting the free YouTube series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB. Okay, so that's why both the things, and whatever is free, grab it fast. Click on the bell icon, click on the like button, share it with your friends. Okay, subscribe to the channel. Education loans have following features. So what are the features of education loans? Covers tuition fees and expenses, are repayable after completion of the course, granted for students in India and abroad, and all of the above. So what is the answer for this? Education loans cover what? Okay, have you taken, anyone has taken education loan over here? Just type yes in the comment section while your education if you have taken it. Mainly education loans are taken for what's here? Mainly you'll get the clients of education loan as engineering or MBA, right? MBA students will also be there. MBA means foreign MBA generally, or abroad, right? Abroad means suppose if I have got some this admission in some foreign country, so there also, or medical students, medical expenses are also used nowadays. Medical, okay, they also come. But remember, education loans are not limited to only this. Even a specific computer course, for example, if I say a computer course of any NIIT, okay, now the courses of NIIT, these are also costing around 2 lakhs. That much is the cost of many of the courses also. So education loans can cover these also. Computer courses, certificate courses, those are also covered. Diplomas are also covered. Now if I'll say I'm joining some private class, okay, for coaching, will I get the education loan? Means suppose if I want to go in IIT and for that I am going for some coaching, so will I get the education loan? That those classes are also this getting heavy fees now, right? Those fees are around what, 1.5 2 lakhs roughly, isn't it? So will I get an education loan for that? For that it is not covered. Coaching classes and everything, nothing. You have to get a proper college education. So it covers tuition fees and expenses, repayable after completion of the course, granted for studies in India and abroad, and all of the above. So all of the above. So they are repayable after completion of the course. Remember, this is known as a moratorium period. Okay, moratorium. What is the moratorium period? It means suppose if I start my loan is given over here, and let's say I'm in engineering. So engineering is for 4 years generally. So this is 4 years, and after 4 years I require 1 year for getting the job, right? So 1 year over here and 4 years over here. So my repayment will start after this. EMI will start after this. I won't get the EMIs up to this period. Okay, that is known as my education loan. And this part is known as moratorium. Moratorium. Difficult word, isn't it? But this is moratorium. Okay. Yeah. Move on. Okay, where do I have which other loans have moratorium period? I'll just give you a hint. Okay, and then we'll move ahead. It is housing loans. Housing loans have moratorium. Always remember this. Search this. Search as per your on Google also, anywhere you can search it. Okay. Business correspondent means what? Business correspondent. All your banks have BCs now. What is that BC? Business correspondent. All your banks have BCs. So what is the BC? Then agent who provides banking service, agent of the business house, type of the money lender, and none of the above. So BC means what? See here, private banks have. I'll give you a separate classification. Private banks, okay, and nationalized banks. Now private banks have appointed something called as DSA, okay, DSA, and this nationalized banks have appointed on similar lines. They have BCs, business correspondent. Okay, what is DSA? Direct sale agents. I'll write it over here. Direct sale agents, sales agents. Okay, direct sales means what? They are not the employees of the bank. Okay, sales agencies or agents, we call it agents. They are not the employees of the bank, but they give the service to the customers on the basis of commission. Similarly, this guy, BC also does the same thing. So this BC gives the commission, gives the service to the clients on the basis of the commissions, right? Commission he gets, suppose if one account opening is done, then he'll get certain amount. Something is done, some FD is opened, some separate amount. So this is the job. Both of them seem to be the same only. One is in private, second is in nationalized. Okay. So what is this BC? This BC is, after all, see, this answer is easy now. What is the answer now? A, B, C or D? Everyone. Type in the comment section A, B, C or D. Everyone, fast. A, B, C or D. Correct? A. Agent who provides the banking service. Isn't it? The modular structure using different process models for different product offering, product-wise end-to-end solutions is called as. So product-wise end-to-end solutions, remember product-wise end-to-end solutions is called as what? Whenever you are giving end-to-end product-wise solutions, it means you are following, what are the four models? Horizontally organized, vertically organized, predominantly horizontally, and predominantly vertically. So what are you seeing over here? Horizontally, vertically, PH and PV. Okay. What is this? In vertically organized model, there is always a common database. Common database. Always remember this. Common database in vertically. For all the products, home loan, personal loan, savings account, current account, everyone uses the common database. Horizontally means what? Yeah, this is the question. Modular structure using different process models for different product offerings. Different product offerings. Here, different process models for different product offerings. Offering product end-to-end solutions. So different product, different processes. So different customer base. So that is known as horizontal. So this is the answer over here. Horizontally organized model. A modular structure which uses different process models for different product offerings. Product-wise end-to-end solutions is known as horizontally organized model. Remember this by heart. Okay. Then what is vertically? Vertically will always have the common database. Common database in the sense, the same database will be used by the savings account holder, by the same current account employees, savings account employees, current account employees, loan employees, credit card employees, insurance employees, TPP employees, everyone. What is this predominantly horizontal and vertical then? PH and PV. See here what happens in horizontally organized, 0% data is shared with other departments. Means home loan carries on its own database. This personal loan carries on its own database. Savings has its own database. They don't share with each other. Whereas in vertically organized model, we have common databases. What is this PH and PV then? PH and PV are in between. Okay. See, on one end it is horizontally organized. The other end it is vertically organized. Okay. This is H and this is B. Now we have this song, Thoda Sa Pyar Hua Hai, Thoda Hai Baki. Thoda Sa Pyar Hua Hai, Thoda Hai Baki. These are these. PH, predominantly horizontally. Here, somewhere over here, PH. Okay. PH. Then this PVV is near to this, but not completely. PV. Here 0% data is shared. Here 100% data is shared. So here what will it be? It will be something around 30%. What will it be here over here? 70%. Right? So that is the difference. So it is these PH and PV are between these two ends. These are the two extremes. Okay? Clear? We should keep our savings with the banks, because why should I keep my savings with the bank? Why is the bank important? Can't I keep my money with in my cupboard? Why do I keep it with the banks? It is safe. Obviously, safe means, now you'll say safe, sir. There can be a robbery in the banks. We hear so many cases of robberies in the banks. So yeah, we hear the cases, but we have the insurance over there. If there is a robbery, the person gets back the money using that insurance. Okay. The customer gets back the money, so it is safe. It earns interest. That is also important. Suppose if I keep 10 lakh rupees in my cupboard for 10 years, they will remain 10 lakh only. But if I keep 10 lakh rupees in bank for 10 years, it will earn interest. So principal plus interest, both the things will be earned. So that's why earn interest. Can be drawn anytime. We have a checkbook nowadays, savings account. So that and all of the above. So answer is this, all of the above. Which of the following business approach for retail banking is followed in new private sector banks? So Which of the following approaches? New private sector banks. What are new private sector banks? New private sector banks means HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, okay, then IndusInd Bank, right? Various banks, Bandhan Bank, various, all, there are thousands of banks now, okay. So which is the business model which is followed in these new private sector banks? Segmented, geography based, classification based, mix of segment and classification. Now what is this? Let me explain you a bit. Segmented means what? Segmented always depends on the customers. Suppose if I am having NRI customers, NRI, so my branch will be called as an NRI branch. If I am having the farmer customers, then my branch will be called as a agri branch or KCC branch we call it. Okay. If I am having businessmen, all my customers, here it depends on the area in which your branch is located. If you are located in the main area, okay, of any business center, you'll always have businessmen as your customers. So that will be called as what? Current account. Or everything it will be current account, loan, CC, term loan. It's a business branch. Okay. So that is known as segmented approach. Depending on the customer base, I decide my branch. Okay. Or the classification of my branch. So that is segmented. What is the second one? Second one is geography based. Geography based means what? I have some branches in Pune, some branches in Lucknow, some branches in Chennai, okay, Chennai, some branches in Kashmir, okay, J&K, okay. So now we call it various names, J&K, then Ladakh, okay. So this is geography based. When I'm basing my branches based on the location, it is known as geography based. What is classification based? It means simple. I'm having urban branch, urban. I'm having rural branch, rural branch. I'm having semi-urban branch, semi-urban. Okay, so these are all classifications based on the urban, rural, semi-urban, everywhere. And mix is what? Mix means of the segmented and the classification means A and C, right? So what does this new private sector bank follow? New private sector bank always follows the mix D of A and C. Mix of segment and classification based. Always any private sector bank follows this only. Okay. Bank does not give loan against. Against what does bank does not give loan? Gold ornaments, LIC policy, lottery ticket, NSC. Have you given the loan against gold ornaments or LIC policy? You have given. You might have given. You means your bank might have given. We give gold loan. We have LIC loan. Also, LIC means what? Loan against securities. We have loan against NSC also, National Savings Certificates. What is NSC? National Savings Certificate. Okay. We have similarly NSC, we have KVP also, Kisan Vikas Patra, Indira Vikas Patra, IVP, Indira Vikas Patra. Nowadays, nobody uses this. These are only in your books. Nobody uses this NSC, nobody uses this KVP, nobody IVP, everything is gone. Okay. But still in the books for your exam, it is there. So, have you seen any loan against lottery ticket? Never. Bank will never finance any lottery ticket. Why? How can a bank give loan against a finance means I'm not giving for the purchase of lottery ticket. That is hardly how much? 100, 200, 500 rupees. So bank doesn't give this much amount also. But the question over here is loan against lottery ticket. If I'm having the lottery ticket of let's say 1 crore, 1 crore price, will the bank finance me against this 1 crore? Illogical, right? Because lottery ticket means what? There is a, I don't know what is the chance of getting some prize in that. Bank will never finance against the vague things in life. Okay, bank always finances against the sure things, whatever are sure. Okay, which of the following constitutes the basic structure of retail banking as per the recent trends? Basic structure. Now, what do the retail banks sell? Basically, it means that basic structure means what do the retail banks sell? So, retail assets only. Retail assets and liability products. Liability products and third-party products. Retail assets, retail liability and third-party products. Bank sells what? What do you sell? You only tell me, everyone. What do you sell in the branch? Do you sell asset product? Asset means what? Loans. Okay. Asset means, I'll write it over here. Asset equals to loans. All the loans, personal loan, vehicle loan, home loan, gold loan, LIC loan, anything. Liabilities means deposit. Four deposits mainly: saving, current, FD, and recurring. And third party, what is third party? Third party means TPP. Okay, let me write it. CASA, okay, current account, saving account, FD, and RD, right? RD. And what is the third party? Third party means it can be insurance, it can be anything. What is third party basically? Insurance, mutual fund, demat account of some other party, other company. Okay, demat can also be of your bank, it can be of some other one also. Demat account, then broking account. Okay, these are all third party accounts. So bank sells that also, third party also. So bank basically sells all these. All these are sold. Okay. So what is the basic structure? All these. Everyone, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. See here, what do you need for clearing any exam? You need classes, you need books, you need tests. So all the three are there. So do it fast, isn't it? 1 rupee note is signed by whom? Prime Minister, Finance Minister, RBI Governor, and none of the above. Just now I told you, 1 rupee note is issued by who? Government of India. So if it is issued by Government of India, who will sign it? Will it be signed by this RBI Governor or this Reserve Finance Minister or Prime Minister? Because these two are in the government. This RBI Governor is this bureaucrat, right? So this RBI Governor belongs to RBI. So just now we discussed that 1 rupee note is issued by government. So it will be signed by the government only. But who signs? Prime Minister or Finance Minister? What is the answer? Anyone? It is none of the above. It is signed by Finance Secretary. Always it is signed by the bureaucrat. Finance Secretary. Always remember, Finance Secretary is also a part of the bureaucracy. Okay. So that's why Finance Secretary will sign this 1 rupee note. Always remember this. Okay. Now, before going, let me discuss the batches here. Join the Mahapack or you can join this. Let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7 live only, because there you will get the clear idea. In fact, I would suggest if you are having the app, go through the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra using the coin systems. Okay. So, go to Adda 24/7. See this. Gone. Over here, you will see. Look at this. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Then you click on JAIIB October. Right. Now you see the batches. See this. Sankalpa batch. Join this batch ASAP. All the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. 300 hours of online live classes. 165 test series. 181 ebooks. Recorded videos are available. What all do you want? You just check these ebooks. See this. Click on these ebooks. You'll see these ebooks. You click on this test series. You'll see this test series. You click on these classes. You'll see the classes. Even you can go deeper. Suppose if you want to check the test series, click on this test series. Now you'll get these test series. But these will be locked. You can't buy it. Once you purchase it, you'll be able to get it. See this. Start test. It will be locked over here. You'll have to pay over here. Some are available for free also. So that's why I would suggest join the batch immediately. You can join the Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you are getting multiple batches. Plus you are getting mini and mega marathons. Plus you get this doubt clearing sessions. Okay, ebooks, test, everything you get in Mahapacks also. Join them ASAP. And now you can use this here. Well, for buying this, what you do? See here, I've already purchased it over here. So for buying this, what do you do? For this, you just click on buy and then click on go on inputting the details. Once you input the details, done. You are through. Okay. Let me show you over here also. See this. One sec. Let me bring it. Okay. How to purchase this? I'll show you that also. Okay. Because this already I have purchased it, so it's of it won't be of any use to you, right? Yeah. One sec. See this. Go to Adda 24/7 over here. Now you are on Adda 24/7 over here. Look at this. Now this JIB and CIB done. Click on JIB, CIB. Then click on this Sankalpa batch. Okay. Now I already have told you. Click on this buy now. Use the code Moon77. Here you are getting 77% off. Buy this immediately. Okay. 1999 reduces to 4599. Such a huge discount. Buy it immediately. Okay. Because exams are near. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye. Keep studying and do join the batches. Bye.